Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, a review, and show you how to cut these LED lights. Tenmiro, this is the 100 foot. You get two spools that are separate that are 50 feet a piece. Now here you got this adapter. This is where you're going to plug these into. This is the kind of adapter they have. You got to find the two little notches right there. There's a little notch right there. You're going to plug it in. And then the other spool is going to go there. At the end of this spool, there's not another connector where you can make this 100 feet. So you get two 50-foot rolls. Here's the remote. Now take the little piece of plastic out where the battery is. This is the infrared part. We've got a plug-in. You're going to plug this power supply in. It's got about 3-foot cord. Then you're going to plug the other in right here. Now that is you got to make sure that's accessible for the light, for the remote to work, because you got to be able to point it at it. There's green. Yeah, then we can go to blue. There's all the different functions that the remote has. Now the spool, the wire, or the LED lights have two-sided tape. So you're going to peel that back. That's going to expose the two-sided tape. You can stick that to wherever you'd like. Okay, so now make sure you got power off. When you want to cut it to length, there's only a certain spot you can cut it, and that's right where these copper strips are. So right there, right down the middle, that's where we're going to cut it. Now it's cut. You cannot cut anywhere around the LED light. Even if there's like an arrow on here, don't cut where the arrow is or nothing. That only have to see those copper strips. Now let me show you a trick, how to make a 90-degree turn. You're going to go like this. Now you can't do it around an LED light. You got to, between the two LED lights, anywhere in between them, you're going to fold it over on top of itself. And now you've got a 90-degree turn. It's still going to work. Just don't smash that down a whole lot. So the LEDs are about 2¼ inches apart. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.